Number 3. NGK. The sound of NGK as in sync is written as long line downward. Compare sim and sync downward. Spell rank. Rank, frank, bank, drink, shrink, ink, uncle, banquet, anxious. Let's start writing rank. RANGK. Frank. FRANGK. Bank. BANGK. Drink. DRENGK. Shrink. SHARENGK. Ink. ENGK. Uncle. UNGK. L. Banquet. BNGK. QET. Q is written under the sound of que. QET. Anxious. ANGK. US. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comment if you want another lesson. Request your lesson and I will upload in my content. Thank you.